Mikey's Meals, sourdough cinnamon raisin bread. 50 grams of sourdough starter. 350 grams of warm water. 50 grams of honey. Incorporate well. .500 grams of flour. And now mix it all together until it combines, and we leave it to rest for 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, we have a dough we can stretch and fold to create our gluten. Cover, leave to rest for 1 hour. Take the dough out of the bowl onto an unfloured work surface. Stretch out the dough into a big rectangle. Divide the dough into 3 parts visually. Throw some raisins in the middle. Add our cinnamon and brown sugar mixture. Fold. Do the same. Fold again until you have a long piece of dough like we have here. And roll it all together. You're gonna knead it. It's gonna be crumbly and raisins are gonna be falling out, but just knead it, it'll all come back together. Put it in a bowl, let it rest until it's doubled. And when it's doubled, cover it with some plastic wrap, put it inside the fridge, let it rest till the next day. So we're ready to bake this. It's been in the fridge in our Banneton. We're gonna flip it over so that we can score it. We're using a Dutch oven for this bake. So here we're scoring the dough on a 45-degree angle. We do this so the bread has a spot and a weak point to break so that it doesn't just look like it exploded. So here we have a 450-degree Fahrenheit oven. We warmed our Dutch oven and preheated the oven at the same time. So now we're sticking that in the oven for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, this is our result. We're gonna take off the lid and bake it without the lid so that we can brown our bread. So here we are another 25 to 40 minutes later. Our cinnamon raisin bread. Hope you guys can try this recipe out. Thanks for watching.